Hey guys.
Today, we'll be cutting into the world famous basketball.
That's right, people. Let's just hope it doesn't pop. Alright, right now we are in the lab where we cut open all our balls.
Sorry, but that's a pretty funny sentence. Okay, you ready, Brian?
Sure I am. Let's do this.
Let's cut this little sucker open. Well,
You got a hole in it.
deflating, yeah.
Alright, Joe, finish it.
Gosh!
You look like a bunny. Look at you.
Okay.
Hooray!
No, we don't know what they are, but basketball seems to be made of 3 different layers. Whatever this is, whatever that is.
And the outside covering?
Pretty much. Have the ball right here, people.
I could really use one of these.
You ready, Brian?
What?
Time to smell it.
Smell it?
Yeah?
Can we use air freshener when we finish with it?
Okay, sure, let me go get some.
Okay.